A very commonly held notion is that there is no cure for asthma in allopathy. Is it true? Let us see in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat and this is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, you will get videos on medical science related information. If you want to see such videos, kindly subscribe to this channel. There is no cure for asthma in allopathy. Is it true? First of all, I would like to clarify one thing. There is nothing called allopathy. What we mean by allopathy is modern scientific medicine. So, for whichever there is a scientific proof available, that is what is followed, which people commonly call it as allopathy. Coming to today's question, is there a cure for asthma? Asthma should not be compared with diseases like pneumonia or typhoid, where the villain is from the outside. There is a bug which comes into the body causing problems to the body. You can eliminate that, you can kill that. But in wheezing or asthma, the villain is not from outside the body. The villain is the body itself. The body or the immune system is overreacting to certain stimuli so that you get wheeze or asthma. So in the traditional sense of the term cure, you can't kill your immune system, so there is no cure. But asthma is eminently controllable, which is as good as cure with inhalers and other medicines, because it is a trait of the immune system that it is overreacting. We manipulate the immune system without causing adverse effects on any other processes. So there is definitely treatment for asthma in the so-called allopathy or modern scientific medicine. Though we don't call it as cure, the control itself is as good as cure. So there is treatment in allopathy for asthma. Friends, if you like this video, kindly share it among your friends and relatives. Subscribe to this channel to get more such videos. Till we meet again, bye.